everyone. Today is 73rd Republic Day. I would like to inform you about Republic Day. What is the Republic Day? Republic Day is one of the great national festivals of India. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. India was under the British rule for over a decade of years and was forced to follow the harsh rule and laws which were against the freedom of Indians. The sacrifices of our great Muslim and Hindu freedom fighters and under the guidance of great leaders helped India to achieve its freedom on 15 August 1947. Around 2.5 years later, India got its constitution which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. The first Republic Day of India was celebrated on 26 January 1950. The first Republic Day of India was celebrated on 26 January 1950. Republic Day has importance in every heart of an Indian citizen. This is one of the national festivals of India which embarks a sense of patriotism in everybody's mind. This is one of the occasions which helps to introduce the younger generation to our great Indian history and culture. This is the day when we remember our great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the country. This is the day when we remember our great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the country. Republic Day also teaches us the importance of unity and how it helped in the Indian freedom struggle to defeat the much powerful British Empire. Now I would like to inform what is the role of ulama in the freedom war of India. If ulama did not participate in the freedom war of India, this India would never be freedom. In the freedom war of 1857, two teams were made. First team was built in Ambala, whose president Maulana Jafar Khalid Rahmatullah alayhi. Second team was built in Shamli, whose president Hazrat Haji Imdadullah Rahmatullah alayhi. In this freedom war, almost 2 lakh Muslims were martyred. 51,500 of them were ulama. 500 ulama were hanged in Delhi. Thompson, who was a non-Muslim, he says that there was no such tree in Delhi where the name of ulama would not be hanged. If I mention the whole sacrifice of ulama in the freedom war of India, it will be morning from evening. So I will say like this that the role of ulama was very important in the freedom war of India.